Are you tired of chasing one-time affiliate commissions? What if you could get paid for life? Master Affiliate Profit's perpetual commission engine can do that. It simplifies affiliate marketing and maximizes your earning potential. It's an all-in-one platform designed to make affiliate marketing easier and more rewarding. The perpetual commission engine is the key. It's where you earn commissions on all future purchases, not just the first sale. You promote one link and it tracks every click, lead, and sale forever. This means when someone signs up through your link, you get paid on everything they buy later on. It's different from other programs because you earn for life, not just once. This can lead to a true passive income stream. The one-link system is a game changer because it tracks everything for you. If you are ready to ditch the 9-to-5, it is time to build a real online business. To learn more about the system that I use and my premium info spike bonuses that I'm offering, visit my link below.